Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new subscribers, welcome. My name's Maria. So today I'll be doing a quick little tutorial on a Valentine's Day look. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching. We're going to be using the Morphe palette, the 35B. Let's use this pinkish color. Now I'm going to use this brighter pink. I'll be using this palette. And I'll be going in with this color, like burgundy-ish. Okay. By Mario. And I'll be going in with this Lula color. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit with my LA Girl concealer. I have to go with my gold or my silver. What's this silver? With my Wet n Wild eyeliner. De milagro, today my eyeliner came out good. I'm gonna add some more shimmer. You can never go wrong with too much glitter, right? I would like normally not go for a dramatic look like this, but I actually like it. Making videos has like make me come out of my comfort zone, but I absolutely love it. Trying new things, you know. Just a little bit. And I'm mixing the bright pink and this one from the Morphe palette. I did my first workout today with like holding my baby. I looked up a video on YouTube and holy moly, está pesado el gordo. Okay, now I'm gonna do my gel liner on the bottom. Maybelline gel liner. I'm gonna apply some LA Colors mascara. But first I'll be doing some highlight because I haven't. And I'll be using Sassy Grape from my Anastasia Glow Kit. That looks so gross. Okay, only lip gloss because this Utah weather has my lips really chapped. It finally snowed, guys, in Utah. Pensé que este año no iba a nevar. Ya habían tardado con la nieve. All over my glue. I got eyelash glue all over my eyelash. Okay guys, this is the end of today's video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you guys for all the ones that have subscribed and have showed support to me. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys. Y para los que hablan español, también hablo español, por si no habían visto mis Spanglish. Pero muchas gracias por todos mis seguidores nuevos y por apoyarme. Lo aprecio mucho y muchas gracias por ver todos mis videos. Y si les gustarían videos nada más en español, por favor avísenme en los comentarios y con mucho gusto les haría videos solamente en español. Y muchas gracias por ver mis videos. Les quiero.